How to fix Facebook cannot open. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then open apps option. Here on apps option, search for Facebook app, open then Facebook like this, and then go to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop, click also OK. Now what you should do, you have to go and restart your phone. After this, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.